M134A2 Vulcan minigun. Now, let's look into heavy artillery with the M134A2 Vulcan minigun from the Chinese manufacturer Classic Army. Inspired by the iconic M61 Vulcan rotary cannon, this airsoft weapon replicates the powerful look featured in popular movies such as Predator, Terminator 2, The Expendables 3, and Furious 7. The 6 barrels and rotating block significantly increase the rate of fire, allowing up to 3,000 shots per minute. The muzzle velocity is adjustable, ranging from 100 to 170 meters per second, and the built-in magazine holds 2,000 BBs. While impressively realistic, this gun weighs almost 12 kilograms and comes with a price tag of $4,000. CyMay Standard VSR-10. The CyMay Standard VSR-10 sniper rifle from Chinese brand CyMay is a perfect option for those who appreciate a classic approach to airsoft. This rifle exudes simplicity yet captures attention with its stunning design. Operating on a spring system trigger, it offers reliability and precision on the field. With a magazine capacity of up to 55 BBs, you can engage in prolonged battles without frequent reloads. Measuring 115 centimeters in length and weighing 2.5 kilograms, the CyMay Standard VSR-10 strikes a balance between maneuverability and stability. What truly sets it apart is the wide range of available accessories, allowing you to personalize your rifle with different stocks and barrels to suit your preferences and playstyle. The CyMay Standard VSR-10's versatility, combined with its attractive starting price of $100, makes it an enticing option for airsoft enthusiasts seeking a timeless and customizable sniper rifle to elevate their gaming experience to new heights. Cybergun M249 Power. Cybergun, a leading French company, introduces the M249 Power, a thrilling airsoft gun that is set to revolutionize the battlefield. With its remarkable features, this machine gun stands out from the competition. Equipped with a colossal 500 BBs magazine capacity and an incredible muzzle velocity of 120 meters per second, the M249 Power guarantees an unparalleled shooting experience. What truly sets this airsoft gun apart is its automatic high-cap magazine, enabling it to reach firing ranges of up to 60 meters. Its high-speed firing rate of 850 BBs per minute ensures that opponents will have little time to react. For enthusiasts seeking an exceptional weapon, the M249 Power comes at a competitive starting price of $220. Hornet M25 Kit. If you're an avid gamer, you'll likely recognize the first item on today's list. The Hornet M25 Kit is designed to enhance standard airsoft weapons, adding excitement to airsoft battles. The French company, Avatar, drew inspiration from the Mass Effect franchise. This kit is compatible with a wide range of models and can even be used with real firearms like a Glock pistol. Once equipped, your weapon will resemble the iconic Hornet M25 submachine gun seen in Mass Effect 3 and Mass Effect Andromeda. It comes in 2 colors, Black Obsidian and White Cerberus, and is priced at $140. The BO Fabum STF-12. Some airsoft weapons are known for their realistic appearance, and the FabArm STF-12 shotgun from the French company BO manufacture is a perfect example. It closely resembles the original and even allows you to mount a collimator sight on the Picatinny rail. The shotgun is made from durable ABS plastic and fires 6mm caliber projectiles in groups of 3 BBs. Its magazine has a capacity of 30 pellets, and the muzzle velocity reaches 95 meters per second. The shotgun weighs just under 2 kilograms and is available for approximately $86. Desert Warrior 4.3. From the renowned Japanese brand Tokyo Maru comes the Desert Warrior 4.3 airsoft gun. This model has been a favorite among airsoft players since its initial release in 2009. Its sand-colored design perfectly complements its name, Desert Warrior. The gun weighs 830 grams and comes with a low-cap magazine holding 25 BBs. It has a muzzle velocity of 85 meters per second and is highly compact and customizable with a removable Picatinny rail. The price of this gun is $110. Steel Buster P2000 911A1. If you're in the market for a distinctive and exceptional airsoft gun, the Japanese experts have crafted something just for you. The Steel Buster P2000 911A1. This modified version of the classic model is a standout with its unique features and capabilities. Using 11mm BBs, it delivers impressive damage range, ensuring maximum accuracy within 10 meters and high accuracy up to 20 meters. However, what truly sets the Steel Buster P2000 911A1 apart is its striking appearance. The gun's vibrant red color showcases the carbide metal used in its construction, making it an eye-catching and stylish addition to any arsenal. For those who value both performance and aesthetics, the Steel Buster P2000 911A1 offers the perfect combination. Stand out on the battlefield with this exceptional airsoft gun, demonstrating Japanese ingenuity and design prowess. Whether you're a collector or a seasoned player, this unique piece will undoubtedly elevate your airsoft experience to a whole new level. Crytac Kriss Vector. Finally, we have the Crytac Kriss Vector, a realistic replica of the submachine gun developed by Transformational Defense Industries. This airsoft version features a 6mm caliber and a 95 BB magazine. With a length ranging from 445 to 665 millimeters and weighing 2.6 kilograms, the Kriss Vector boasts a convenient fire mode selector and fuse on both sides, catering to both right-handed and left-handed users. The body combines metal and plastic components, and its muzzle velocity ranges from 110 to 120 meters per second. The Crytac Kriss Vector is available at a price of $450. Falcon ASL Series M4. The Falcon ASL Series M4 by American brand Vulcan is an impressive airsoft electric gun, faithfully emulating the look of a real rifle. Its compact and lightweight build makes it perfect for tight spaces. The key mod rail and unique receiver contribute to its modern and formidable appearance. Moreover, the ambidextrous design with magazine detach buttons and fire mode selector on both sides enhances its usability. With a price tag of around $165, the Falcon ASL Series M4 offers a compelling option for airsoft enthusiasts seeking a powerful and versatile weapon to dominate the field.